Hello, and welcome back to the Berdu channel. This video is a continuation of our tutorial on customizing the checkout page. In this video, we'll focus on payment methods and custom shipping options to tailor your checkout experience to your business needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu.id channel. Make sure to like this video and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. From the Berdu website dashboard, go to Layout and click Edit Layout. Hover over the navigation bar and select the checkout page. Click to edit the checkout section. By default, the payment methods on this page include bank transfers, credit cards, and other options. But what if you want to remove one or more of these default payment methods? Here's how. Go to the Form menu and navigate to the Payment section. The default setting for the payment method is Must Fill, meaning customers are required to choose a payment method on the checkout page before completing their order. If you change this setting to Skip, the payment methods will be hidden, and customers will be directed straight to the payment confirmation after completing their order. You can also customize the design of the payment method section. Set it to Opened so all payment methods are visible by default, or choose Closed, where customers can expand the section to select their payment method. To further customize your payment methods, check the box for Customize. Then, click Add Payment. In the Payment Method field, select the payment method you want to add. For example, bank transfer. Use the text field to adjust the default text that appears for this method. Change it as needed to fit your business. Below, you'll find additional settings. Bank logo. Display only the bank logo if you prefer a cleaner look. Instruction text. Adjust the instructions that appear below the payment method. Bank number. Choose to show or hide the bank account number. Once you've made your adjustments, click Done. If you'd like to add another payment method, simply click Add Payment again and select a new option, such as credit card. Next, go to the Purchase section. Here you can adjust several settings. Coupon code. Decide whether to show or hide the coupon code field. Weight format. Choose between kilograms or grams. Mobile checkout button. Let's switch to mobile preview. You can customize the position of the complete order button to appear at the top, at the bottom, or in both positions. In the Product Settings section, you can customize how products appear on the checkout page. Choose how customers edit their product selection, directly in the form, using a pop-up, or by disabling edits altogether. Adjust product images, pricing, and total price calculation per item. You'll also find options for Notes for Seller. Add a text field where customers can leave specific notes, for example, for custom products. Minimum purchase requirements. Set a minimum order quantity or price to enable checkout. Once you've configured everything, click Done and Save. Now let's move on to custom shipping methods, which allow you to offer manual shipping options on your website, such as store delivery services or self-pickup options. From the left sidebar, go to Settings, then Shipping. Click Add New Shipping Method and name your shipping option. Upload a courier logo and add a description if needed. Next, add a delivery zone. For example, you can set the region to cover all areas in the U.S., or restrict it to specific states like Missouri. To add additional regions, click Add Region and select the area you want to include. Next, navigate to the Rates tab. Click Add Rates and configure the rates based on specific conditions. For instance, if the total weight is within a minimum and maximum range, set the corresponding shipping cost. Alternatively, you can define rates per kilogram. For example, If the weight is above a certain amount, the shipping cost will adjust accordingly. Additionally, you can offer free shipping based on specific conditions, such as when the total price reaches a certain amount. To do this, click Add Rate and select Free Shipping. Under Condition, choose Total Price. Set the minimum and maximum price range for the free shipping offer. Feel free to add other conditions if necessary, or remove any conditions by clicking the X icon beside the rate you want to delete. Once you're done, don't forget to save your changes. To apply your custom shipping method to the checkout page, go back to Layout, click Edit Layout, and hover over the navigation bar to select the checkout page. Edit the checkout section. Go the form, and click Shipping section. Check the box for Customize and click Add Shipping. Select the custom shipping method you just created. Once finished, click Done, Done, and Save. Now let's test the checkout process with a sample product. Customers will fill in the email and address fields. They can select the shipping method we just set up. Finally, they'll choose a payment method and complete their order with payment confirmation. That's it for this tutorial. We hope this video helps you customize your checkout page with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more exciting content. See you in the next video.